NDIM, New Delhi Institute of Management. We are having the campuses located in Tughlakabad, and there we are running the programs of PGDM, Postgraduate Diploma in Management. It is 2 years full-time program, AICTE approved, and also AIU accredited, as well as the NBA accreditations, and A++ grade of the management college. It has come into existence since 1996. The majority of the alumni, and right from 97 to till 2000s, they are designating in the organization like the directors and the vice president of a many reputed company. So, in continuation of the PGDM program, we have also set up the one institutions that is known as New Delhi Institute of Management, NDIM Okhla campus. There we are running MBA programs and with the UGC recognized programs. This is 2 years full-time degree, and apart from that we are also giving them the postgraduate diploma in business management, so that they would be updated and acquainted with the new happenings in the industry, and we are putting the best efforts to make the students employable as per the corporate needs and all that. Therefore, the CRC department, Corporate Resource Center department, they are highly dedicated and putting their best efforts to make the licensing with the various industries, and that is why the placement of NDIM is awesome, because right from the October to till January, the most of the companies, those who belongs to the Fortune 500 groups, they are visiting the NDIM and taking the right and competent manpower from here. As far as the other activities of the student is concerned, and we are very much engaged in the plant visit programs, the industry interactions program, through the guest lectures and through the seminars, conferences, and also running the PRC classes, placement readiness classes. So in pursuit of the industry academia interface, and we are pleased to share with you that today TGIP and the company which is dealing in the digital marketing, the pioneer in the digital marketing, they came over here to give the opportunity to the management students and to make a career in such a lucrative industry, because it is very booming industry, and the students, those who have been experiencing during the interview process or the selection process, that is the awesome and others, particularly the PPT that has been shared by the industry and the TGIP, as well as the motivational videos that really ignite the inner drives of the students and become more inclined to take the opportunity in this company. So really it is very fantastic experience the students were having. The students' feedback is awesome, and the college also feel proud to associate with the TGIP as a recruiting partners over here. Thank you.